and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to send event updates and notifications. So as an event organizer, I want to update about the new event to my existing customers on WhatsApp. So now here for that, I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one solution for all your WhatsApp communication. So to see the entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to automatically share event updates, reminders, and answer common attendee questions. This will help you improve communication, save time, and ensure your event runs smoothly. So as you all know that as an event organizer, keeping attendees informed about the important updates, schedule changes, or reminders can be challenging. So manually sending messages to everyone can be time consuming and prone to errors. So by building a WhatsApp chatbot, I can automate this process. For example, if I'm hosting a seminar, my chatbot can instantly send event details, reminders, and even answer common questions like the venue location or timings. So this ensures my attendees stay informed, improves communication, and saves me valuable time so I can focus on managing the event successfully. Okay, so now here we are going to build this entire WhatsApp chatbot using an amazing WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now you all might be thinking that what is Pabbly Chatflow? So now let me give a brief for what is Pabbly Chatflow to you. So Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Okay, so this was all about Pabbly Chatflow, and now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. And here in this video, we are going to use an amazing feature of Chatflow, that is flows, to build an automated WhatsApp chatbot for our event updates. Okay, so now here before moving forward to the flows, let me tell you that if you want to learn about some amazing features of Pabbly Chatflows that you can see in the left side bar, then you can check out the detailed videos for every feature that is uploaded on our YouTube channel. And also if you want to learn the Pabbly Chatflow's account setup step by step, then also you can check out the video that is already uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay, so now let's move to the flows site. So now here under this flow builder, you can see all the flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. And now here we are going to build a flow for building an automated WhatsApp chatbot for event updates. Okay, so for that we are going to add a flow over here. And now after creating a flow, firstly we are going to give a name to our flow. So I'm going to give the name as event updates. And then here it is asking me for the flow start. So here this flow start basically means the trigger of the flow. That means that how we are going to start the conversation. So here in this case, I'm going to use my trigger as template. That means I'm going to start the conversation by simply sending a template message to all my existing attendees for the new event update. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to choose a template over here. But if you want to start the flow from the customer's conversation, then you can add the keywords and the regex for the same. Okay, so I'm going to choose the template because I'm going to start the flow over here, and here I'm going to start the conversation by sending a template message to all my existing customers through a broadcast that I've already created in Pabbly Chatflow for the same. Okay, so here I'm going to use a template that I've already created in Pabbly Chatflow with the name event notification. So this is the template over here. You can see that says exciting news, our upcoming event digital marketing seminar 2025 is just around the corner. Key details, date, time, and the venue. Here you can see the entire content, and also you can see the quick replies button that I've added over here, that is for the more information and how to register. So this is the basic template that I've selected over here, and now what we are going to do is that we are going to continue this flow for the more information and how to register. Okay, so these are the quick replies button that I've added in my template, and now I'm going to continue this flow by setting up the text buttons for both of these quick replies button. Okay, so I'm going to build the connection over here, and I'm going to select text button over here. And then here it is asking me to enter the message. So here I'm going to enter the message for more information as, sure, what would you like to know? So here I'm going to add some basic questions that an interested person can ask from us. So for that I've added a basic text over here, and then I'm going to add a button to add those basic questions over here. So I'm going to add a button first, and then I'm going to enter the first question as venue location. So the first question is going to be the venue location, and similarly I'm going to add 2 more questions over here by adding 2 more add buttons. And here you can see I've successfully added 2 more questions over here that are parking available and the event schedule. Okay, so these are the questions, and with this I've successfully added the message for more information. So now if the user selects the more information option from here in this quick reply button, then automatically this message is going to be sent to that user. Okay, so now let's move forward, and I'm going to add the message for how to register. So in this particular option I'm going to add the entire method of registering. So I'm going to add a message button over here, and then here I'm going to enter the message for the same. So this is the message that I'm going to send for how to register. This is the entire process, and here is the link for the registration. Okay, so with this we have also completed this message. Now after adding the messages for the quick replies button, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the answers for the questions that I've added over here. That means for these buttons. So now here I'm going to add the answer for the venue location. So I'm going to build a connection, and I'm going to add a new message box over here. And here you can see I've successfully added a message for the venue location, and also I've added a map location for the same. Okay, so this is the message, and now here after entering this message box, I'm going to enter a similar kind of message for both of these questions as well. So I'm going to add it over here. And here you can see I've successfully added the answer for both of these questions as well over here by adding the 2 message boxes. Alright, so with this we are not going to end our flow over here. We are going to add new buttons in each of these message box over here to contact us if they find any more difficulties, or they can move back to this menu. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button over here, and for the first button I'm going to add the text as contact us. And now similarly I'm going to add this contact us field button to every message over here. So I'm going to do it similarly. So here you can see I've successfully added the contact us button, and now after adding the contact us button I'm going to add another button for the main menu. And here you can see I've successfully added the back to menu button in all the 3 messages box. And now here after adding the buttons, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to enter a text for this contact us field. So if the user select contact us, then they are going to get our company's entire information, that is email, phone number and the website. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the message for the same. So this is the message where I've successfully added the email, phone number, website and the ending message. Okay, so this is the common message that I want to send to the users if they select contact us from any of the message. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this contact us field of all the messages box to this particular message box. I'm going to build this connection. And with this, we have successfully connected all the contact from this particular message. And now here after building this connection, I'm going to build a connection for going back to main menu. So now here for this back to menu button, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to build this connection to this previous question message. So I'm going to build this connection over here. And then I'm going to do it similar for these 2 messages box as well. And here you can see I've successfully connected all these buttons to a message box. Okay, so this is the basic flow that I've created for the event update. And with this, we have successfully connected the entire flow with the message box. And with this, we have successfully set up the entire flow. So now let's go and check the working of this flow. So now here, firstly, we are going to save the flow from here. And now here, I've created a broadcast for this particular message. And also I've added my own contact number to the contact list of that broadcast. And I have already received this template message as a message on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so I've already created a flow for the same. So now let's go and see the working of this entire flow on my WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received a message over here which says, exciting news, our upcoming event Digital Marketing Seminar 2025 is just around the corner. Okay, here you can see the key details of the seminar and the 2 quick replies button that were added on our template, that is more information and how to register. So firstly, I'm going to select more information, and here you can see it says, sure, what would you like to know? So here I'm going to select venue location first. And here you can see we have successfully received the venue location with the Google Maps link of the location. And now also here you can see the 2 buttons that we have received with this message, that are contact us and back to menu. So I'm going to select contact us first. And here you can see the message that we have received after selecting the contact us. And now I'm going to click on this back to menu. And here you can see it has taken us back to the menu over here. So here we have successfully seen the working of this venue location. Now let's move to the parking available. And here you can see we have received a text for parking. Now let's move to the event schedule. And here you can see we have successfully received the schedule of the entire event. And also we have received the similar buttons. So now once again, let's select contact us. And here you can see we have received the similar message. So now let's move back to the menu. And this was the entire working of this WhatsApp chatbot that we created for the event update. Okay, so this was a very basic chatbot that I've created for event updates. You can add and set up the more informations as per your need. I hope the entire flow and the steps were clear to you. Now, if you have any doubt related to this chatbot, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. And also, if you want to learn more chatbots, then stay tuned on our YouTube channel. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.